On Tuesday, Moscow's lead negotiator in peace talks said that Russia's promise to scale down military operations around Kyiv and northern Ukraine does not represent a ceasefire. Ukraine reacted with skepticism to Russia's promise in negotiations to scale down military operations around Kyiv, as some Western countries expected Moscow to intensify its offensive in other parts of the country. Talks took place in an Istanbul palace more than a month into the Russian invasion of Ukraine. The invasion has been halted on most fronts by resistance from Ukrainian forces, who have recaptured territory even as civilians are trapped in besieged cities. Late on Tuesday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said, and I quote, "Ukrainians are not naive people. They have already learned during these 34 days of the invasion and over the past 8 years of the war in Donbas that the only thing that they can trust is a concrete result." The General Staff of the Ukrainian Armed Forces said that Russia's promise to curtail military operations in some areas was probably a rotation of individual units and aims to mislead. The Russian military accused Ukrainian forces in cities under attack of using ceasefires to restore their combat readiness and set up firing points in hospitals and schools. On Tuesday, the Pentagon said that Russia has started moving very small numbers of troops away from positions around Kyiv in a move that is more of a repositioning than a retreat or a withdrawal from the war.